Hello everyone. Hello my new subscribers and old subscribers, my Debbie guys. How I miss you guys. Guys, I am out here and I'm going to show you one of the ways I take a shower when I'm out here in the desert, in the dirt. You can go inside in town, in courtside, and take a shower. They do offer shower for a fee. I heard they were very clean and affordable. I have not yet to go in town to shower, but this is not a promotion. I ordered a shower head just because I just like it the way it looked. So thanks to Wolf Wise for sending me this privacy tent, free or no charge. This is not a promotion, but I have a video showing you how easy it is to set it up and take it down. It is very sturdy. I do have it pinned down. And I did warm up some water. And this is my shower head I ordered. It comes with a suction hook too that you can hook it onto your car. I just hung it here because I'm not trying to do anything fancy. All I'm trying to do is get clean. And it has, let me put it in the water. It has an on and off switch, which is running to my car. So let's see how this puppy works. Oh, look at that, the flow. The flow is pretty good. Look, good flow. Oh, see, my water is still warm. You can adjust it. And that's one of the ways I take a shower. And it has to be submerged. And I have like extra water. It's kind of warm. I'm going to pour it all in there. But it's connected to my cigarette lighter here. And guys, I turned my car around so it can be easy when I take a shower. I can just jump back in. What I'm gonna do is put on some short and like a t-shirt. I did warm it. And I'm gonna take, it does have a top to go here, but might as well let the sun shine on me, get warm. And it does have like, I want to see what's going on, but I don't want to see what's going on. I don't want nobody to see me. And I have my, here, see, it's very nice, well put together. But this was a short video just to show you one of the ways I take a shower. And I also take, a good wash up sometime when I can't get to the shower. Or I'm getting ready to go to bed. I take a good wash up. But guys, this is going to be just a short video. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. This was just a short video. Show one of the ways I shower when I'm out here in the desert. Cause guess what, guys? Vanlife, yeah. Woo. Nomad life, yeah. Woo, woo. Happy life, yeah. Woo, woo. Guys, I'm getting ready to enjoy this shower. And hope that you guys have a great day. And thank you for all your blessing and your uplifting word. I know I keep saying it, but I am truly grateful for all you guys. And I do read everyone comment. I'm going to get on that. I like to respond to them when I don't have anything to do, when I'm just bored. And then they give me delight to comment on y'all comment. with that being said, I love you guys. I really do. And I really do appreciate you. So let me get in here and enjoy this shower. Bye, 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 bye. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button.